was the work today, Daddy?
Yeah, my dear son, it was hard.
Daddy, I feel very angry, Daddy. Shall we eat?
Yes, my dear son, let us eat.
Enough, Dad. Enough, Dad. Dad, food is very nice, Dad.
My dear son, why are you wasting this much rice?
Only few rices, Dad. No problem.
Yes, son. Do you know how this rice comes to your plate?
First, they prepare their land so that the land may produce more harvest. They avoid all the waste things from their land so that the harvest may be fruitful. Once they cut the woods and arrange their land, and they dig their land and drop their precious wetting as the water to the plants, and they level the land so that the crops may get enough water. The process doesn't end here. Then they save money and they go to buy seeds which are good to plant. Each and every seed is brought with good intention so that it may grow with good intention. After buying, farmers select a particular day and they plant all the seeds in the field. And they take care of the plants till it grows up, and after growing they start their harvest. Even in harvesting time, many paddy is left aside and the selected ones come to us, and it is now in your plate. Each rice is imprinted with the hard work of the farmers.
My dear son, please don't waste rice. It is a hard work of many farmers.
Sorry, Dad. Hereafter I will not do like this.
Yes.
This is the current situation present in India. Even though the farmers are not respected in this country, they still continue to do farming. Even though we disrespect farmers, but they still continue to do farming because farming is a way of life. By farming, they prove that they are the backbone of India. Though the backbone cannot be seen, still they are the backbone of India.